Check it out, guys. SoFi stock is up over 6% on the day, cracking back over $6 a share right now, up 33 cents on the day, and it's starting to break out. We're going to break down SoFi stock in this video, quickly take a look at the charts, talk about what I'm looking to do. Am I buying it, selling it, holding it, all that good stuff. So if you all find value, of course, hit that like button. Make sure to subscribe for more stock market content. And of course, don't forget to get up to 17 stocks for Moomoo. Today's the last day. Use that link down below. And now let's dive into it. So again, SoFi stock is up over $6 a share. No, not like it's up $6 a share. It's over $6 per share. You guys know what I mean, right? It's up 33 cents a day on the day, up around 6%. So in other words, we're starting to break out of this downwards channel that I drew out. This was a couple days ago, and now we're testing the 180 SMA, which has been resistance for what, a couple weeks. You guys can see right here, we actually haven't been above this moving average since the beginning of this month. So all month, SoFi stock has been struggling right at this moving average, which is right around $6.20 to about $6.30. And lo and behold, guys, that is where we're testing right now. In fact, we actually tested it earlier, right around, I think the intraday high was 617. Yeah, look at that, right around 620. And we've been struggling there throughout the, throughout the majority of the day. We had a lot of the green come this morning. We had a lot of volume this morning. SoFi closed yesterday at about 575. You can see by around, 11 a.m. on the East Coast, it hit 620. And since that point, the last 4 hours is when we've been drifting off here a little bit. So we need to take out 620. SoFi needs to take out 620, not only the intraday high from today, but again, that 180 SMA resistance on the 4-hour chart. It's already starting to break out of this channel. Now we have to break this moving average. If we do break 625, which I have my alert at 650, I'll set another one at 625. Let me do that now. Mark is that we're above 625. If this point breaks, guys, we're going to see, in my opinion, more momentum for the bulls. Volume's going to kick up, and this could start running towards $7 fairly quickly. And no, it's not out of the woods yet fully. I mean, we're getting there, but not fully out of the woods by any stretch of the imagination. But again, if we start breaking mid-sixes, we're going to see a very, very big move. We can see a move potentially towards, and mind you guys, look at this. Let me actually clear the alerts just for the sake of this video. If you guys look back in, September, August even, we struggled many times. Even back in October, November, we struggled literally 4 or 5 times to break out of 675, 650, $7. We got rejected every single time. So that is a very big, resistance point stemming back months and months ago, and of course just weeks ago as well. So I'm telling you guys, if SoFi successfully breaks out of the mid-sixes, this is really going to take off. And we already have this inverse head and shoulders in place, which I talked about in my last SoFi video. Let me actually draw it out here so you guys can see it. It's clear as day. I mean, if you guys can't see this, you might have to get your eyes checked. Look at this, guys. We have the left shoulder right here. We got the head right here. Then boom, we have the right shoulder right here. You guys can see that. So we're one step away from fully breaking out for this thing to really start, moving in terms of the right shoulder, to really start moving. This could maybe start going again towards $7, maybe $8. That's where it could be going. So that's a quick little breakdown on what I'm seeing right now on SoFi. Again, it's not fully out of the woods, guys, but it's starting to get there. It's looking pretty good, in my opinion, in the midst of the overall green that we're seeing right now. The markets right now, guys, are exploding. We have the Russell up 1.4% when I'm making this video. Same with the NASDAQ. The S&P's up over 1%, and we have the Dow Jones up around 1%, as the VIX is down 2.3%. The VIX is really getting clobbered now, guys. Let me actually pull that up and show you all. VIX is back down to 1850. You can see it right now. We're starting to break. The VIX has been breaking trend, and now we're starting to get down towards the lows from earlier this month, before the whole banking crisis started to kick in, where we had the VIX go all the way to 30. Now we're starting to get back to about 1850. If that breaks, we're going to 17, which was the low on the VIX pretty much all throughout this year thus far in 2023. You guys can see back in January. Actually, you can't see it because my big old head's in the way. If I make my face a little bit smaller, there we go. Now you can see it. Back in January, we held 17 on the VIX pretty religiously. that's where it looks like this thing could be going. And each point the VIX goes down, you guys know I'm looking at UVXY closer and closer, guys, because at some point we are going to get another spike in volatility, and I'll be there waiting for UVXY, which right now is actually approaching the lows from earlier this month, being about 430, 435. There could be some more upside here. Just be mindful of that. Just because now the VIX is dying off, markets are exploding, it doesn't mean that volatility is done for forever. It's not. Trust me, guys. We're one piece of banking news away. We're one bank away from the VIX going right back to 30, from UVXY going right back towards $5, $6, $7. We're one big piece of news away. And again, the overall markets now, they're getting a little stretched. I'm not going to lie, especially triple Q. If we pull this up, it is fairly overbought at this point in time. We broke out of 311, 312. We filled the gap to 320. Now this thing's at 320, which was the high from the end of August. Now, is it going to break this and fill the gap all the way to 330? It could, but I'm leaning more towards a pullback before we do end up doing that. If we do even end up doing that, right, guys? Because again, based on the RSI right now, it is slightly overbought. You can see it right down here on the RSI. So I'm leaning more towards maybe some choppiness over the next couple of days on triple Q. Maybe we bounce around, let's say 315, 320 a little bit before breaking out. That's my take. We'll see how it goes, guys. And if I pull up SPY, let me see this quickly before I wrap up the video. SPY right now, when I'm making the video, has filled the gap to 402. That was a couple days ago. Now with today's move, we're up, 1%? We filled the gap to 408. Now we're starting to actually break out of that 408 level and, take the highs out from the beginning of this month. So in other words, guys, SPY right now, triple Q, they're at fresh month highs, and I think triple Q is at a multi-month high, if I'm not mistaken. Let me see that again. Yeah, this is at a multi-month high, guys. Triple Q has not been at, above 320 since August. So yeah, that's over 6 months ago. Markets are really starting to turn around here. So keep in mind, we're a little overbought on SPY and triple Q. Maybe SPY breaks 408 and fills the gap to 415, but either way, we're going to see some choppiness. I think we're due for a little mini pullback at some point next week. We'll see how it plays out. So what do you guys think? Let me know your thoughts down below in the comments. I mean, today is it's a funky day. Gold's down a little bit, down 50 basis points. Silver's up about 0.8%. The oil probably is up all over the place as well, or maybe not up, but it's all over the place. It's been all over the place. Oil's currently up 1.4%. So what do you guys think? Let me know your thoughts down below in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video, hit that like button. Make sure to subscribe and let me know your thoughts on SoFi. Me personally, guys, I'm not in it. I'm not looking to buy or sell at this point. But let me rephrase that. I am looking to buy if it breaks that 625, 650 level. But until then, I'm on the sidelines. So let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. Hit that like button. Make sure to subscribe. And don't forget to get up to 17 stocks for Moo using that link down below. Once you open up an account, you get 1 free share. If you deposit at least $100, you get 6 more free stocks, totaling 7 stocks. And if you deposit at least $1,000, you get 10 more stocks, totaling 17 free stocks. So if you guys want some free money, you want to help out the channel, today's the last day for that promo. The clock's ticking. Use that link down below, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.